Ready to step into the future? We're talking about 2026, a world where AI isn't just a buzzword, it's your secret weapon for productivity. Imagine saving hours every single day, all without writing a single line of code. Stick around as we unveil the top 10 AI tools that are about to revolutionize your life. Let's dive in. Kicking off at number 10, we have Cogniflow, the ultimate meeting assistant. It doesn't just transcribe your calls, it analyzes them, identifies key action items, and even drafts follow-up emails for you. Say goodbye to endless note-taking and hello to hyper-focused meetings. Coming in at number 9 is Artisan AI. This is a game changer for anyone who needs stunning visuals. Just describe what you want: a logo, a social media post, even a complex infographic, and Artisan AI generates it in seconds. It's like having a world-class design team in your pocket, ready 24/7. At number 8, we have SynthWrite. Think of it as a writing partner that truly understands you. It helps you brainstorm ideas, outline articles, and even polishes your drafts to perfection. Whether you're a blogger, student, or marketer, SynthWrite will cut your writing time in half. Number 7 is Data Weaver. Spreadsheets are a thing of the past. With Data Weaver, you can simply ask questions about your data in plain English. What were our top-selling products last quarter? Boom, instant. Beautiful charts and insights. It makes data analysis accessible to everyone. Halfway through our list at number 6 is Momentum, the intelligent project manager. It automatically organizes your tasks, predicts potential bottlenecks, and allocates resources efficiently. Momentum ensures your projects stay on track so you can focus on the bigger picture. Now for our top 5. At number 5, we have Echoverse, a revolutionary tool for content repurposing. Upload one piece of content, like a long video, and Echoverse instantly creates blog posts, tweets, and short video clips from it. It's the ultimate content multiplier. Number 4 is Nexus, your personal learning guide. Tell Nexus what you want to learn, and it creates a customized learning path for you, curating the best articles, videos, and courses from across the web. Lifelong learning has never been this easy or efficient. Breaking into the top 3 is FlowState, the AI-powered automation builder. You can connect all your favorite apps and create complex workflows with a simple drag-and-drop interface. Automate everything from social media posting to customer support. No coding required. Our runner-up at number 2 is Persinigan. This tool is incredible for sales and marketing. It analyzes your target audience and generates hyper-personalized email campaigns, ad copy, and even video scripts that resonate deeply with each individual. It's personalization on a whole new level. And finally, the number 1 AI tool of 2026 that will save you hours every day is Zenith, your personal life OS. Zenith integrates your calendar, emails, to-do lists, and even your personal goals into one intuitive dashboard. It proactively manages your schedule, filters out distractions, and helps you focus on what truly matters. It's not just an app, it's your command center for a more productive and balanced life. And that's a wrap on the top 10 AI tools of 2026. The future of work is about working smarter, not harder. And these tools are leading the charge. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content that keeps you ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.